Amsterdam, we're staying at the Hotel Ibis Styles Amsterdam Central, and we're in one of the old buildings, so the rooms are very small because the buildings are very small, and those rooms are small too. So we do have a TV. Got a little stand right over here that has a coffee pot on it, or teapots. You got some tea in there as well. This is your closet. They do have a safe so you can put your important documents and valuables in there. This is the bed. They got a little charging station right here. There's 2 Euro plugs there. And then when you come into the shower, they have a barn door right here, like a pocket door. Then you have your sink and your mirror. Then it comes with a blow dryer. And you've got your toilet and your shower. So you have a wand and a rain shower head. So it's very cozy. But that's what you get when you get downtown Amsterdam and in historical buildings. So let's go check out the rest of the hotel. So we're in room 506. To get from 506, you have to go from the elevator, take a left, take a left, take a left, take a left, and then it will be the last room on your right. So there's no breezeway or anything like that between them. There is, but you can't go out it. So you have to walk all the way around, which is nice, but as you can see, there's not much room because the age of the structure. So I'm up against it. I can't even extend my arm. So let's look at Heason. So when you come off the elevator, if they would let you go out that way, our room's right on the other side of that glass door. But they want us to get our steps in, which I appreciate. Now, it's 12:17. Check-in's not till 3. We came this morning about 10 o'clock and dropped our bags. We came back to bring the laundry that we've done back and check it so we didn't have to carry them. They checked and our room was ready. So let us check in 3 hours early, which is super cool. So I appreciate that, Ibis Styles. So what'd you say about the elevator?
This is bigger than the elevator that's from the cruise ship, but this only says 13 people. Elevator in the cruise ship's at 20.
What's cool, they didn't have this at our other hotel, is they have all these coupons here that are discounts to local events. Madame Tussauds, the Hard Rock Cafe, a lot of restaurants, a lot of different attractions. And if you go to Victoria's Boutique CBD Madness, with that coupon, you get a free gown.
Spend 25 euros and get a goodie bag.
Ooh, 25 euros, get a goodie bag. When you stay at the Ibis Styles, there's restaurants right across the street, right next door, and the Amsterdam Central is right there. So if you're traveling in and out and you're just looking for something close to the train station, this is a really great place for it. You're literally like a 2-minute walk to the train station. That's why we picked this. Well, it is 5:45 in the morning. We are heading to Schiphol Airport, and I already know the answer, but I'm going to ask it for you. So what did you think about your one and only night at the Ibis Styles Amsterdam Central Hotel?
Stay in the other one, not this one.
Yeah.
This one sucked.
This one did suck. So the windows are like this thick. So for about 2 hours. We heard pro-Palestine protest over Central Station, which is probably about, I don't know, maybe a little less than a quarter of a mile away. And then they have the little trolley that comes in front of here, so all night we heard ding ding, and drunk people all night in front of this because it's a main street. So if you like your sleep and you don't book this hotel, and if you do book this hotel, make sure you don't get a street front room because you won't sleep very well.